You see a big smile on her face. I just wanted to ask you one thing now. I'm very health conscious. So what goes into your mind when you actually ask, you've been asked to make something? They ask a husband, they know that the wives love something that is khatta, yeah, something that is meat. But for you, it's on a completely different level. So what is going in your mind with us?
Hi everyone. I'd like to thank Bhabhi and Bao for inviting us. It's a really noble cause, first of all. And back to your question, she's a health freak, so it's quite easy for me. I just cut one tomato in a glass and it's easy. but today, I think I'm going to make her some chicken tikka because it's healthy and it consists of a lot of protein. And jaan tak khane ka sawal hai, anyway at home I have to do all the cooking for her. You know, I'm a patni vrata. Thank you.
Most favorite dish?
A very good evening to everyone. First and foremost, I'd like to thank Sachin Bhau and Sangeeta Bhabhi for inviting us. I think it's a great cause, and I think the work that they're doing towards this NGO and with this NGO is really wonderful. And in our little way, we're going to encourage it. I really love the whole feel of this setup, and Bhabhi was just explaining to us how wonderful it is to bring, different people from different places together, and this is what this entire Worli Festival does. And I just love the spirit here, and the energy is so vibrant. But coming back to your question, let me just tell you, Raj is a fantastic cook, and this I say with no bias. He's a fantastic cook. He cooks all the time when we are in London. When we're in Dubai as well, and he actually makes the best eggs, like the whole English breakfast. I can't even compete with him because I'll tell you the backstory. His father used to own a small little diner a very time ago, and once the chef got fired, I think he was sick, and Raj actually, I think he was 18 at that time or 17. He had to step in, so he did like 250 breakfasts that morning. And he kind of, he realized he was really, really good at it. So he makes the most amazing mint chutney and the most amazing chicken tikka. And I love it. And he makes it with a lot of love. Oh, yeah, we're complete foodies. So we had to come here.
So, thank you for that. Now, I noticed a couple of things. The moment he said that Raj here is a fabulous cook, he was astounded. Huh? Okay. Oh, okay. And you could see all the wives, poking their husband. See? He cooks with all love. So thank you so much for joining us. It's been a pleasure.